Have you ever noticed your legs feeling heavy and tired after just a short walk around the block? Or maybe you've felt that uncomfortable tingling sensation in your feet when you were trying to relax in the evening. If you're nodding your head right now, you're definitely not alone. Millions of seniors struggle with poor circulation every single day, and most don't realize there's a simple solution hiding right in their kitchen pantry. What I'm about to share with you today might sound almost too good to be true. There's one tiny seed that researchers are calling a circulation miracle worker, and it's probably sitting in your spice rack right now, completely ignored and forgotten. The seed I'm talking about is flaxseed, and I know what you're thinking, flaxseed, really? That tiny brown seed that health food stores have been pushing for years. Yes, that's exactly the one, but the reason it works for circulation is completely different from anything you've probably heard before. You see, flax seeds contain something called alpha-linolenic acid, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acid that acts like a natural blood thinner. When you consume flax seeds regularly, this omega-3 acid helps prevent your blood from becoming thick and sticky, which is often the root cause of poor circulation in the first place. A groundbreaking study published in the journal Hypertension followed 110 seniors with circulation problems for 6 months. Half of the participants added just 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed to their daily diet, while the other half continued eating normally. The results were absolutely remarkable. The flaxseed group saw their systolic blood pressure drop by an average of 15 points, and their diastolic pressure dropped by 7 points. That's equivalent to taking a prescription blood pressure medication, except this was achieved with nothing but a simple seed. But the blood pressure improvements were just the beginning. Participants also reported significant reductions in leg pain, less swelling in their feet and ankles, and dramatically improved walking distances. One 68-year-old woman in the study said she went from barely being able to walk to her mailbox to taking 30-minute walks around her neighborhood without any discomfort. The secret lies in how flax seeds work at the cellular level. The omega-3 fatty acids in flaxseed help make your red blood cells more flexible, allowing them to squeeze through even the tiniest capillaries more easily. It's like giving your blood cells a yoga class, making them more bendable and fluid. Flax seeds also contain something called lignans, which are powerful antioxidants that protect your artery walls from damage. Think of lignans as tiny bodyguards that patrol your bloodstream, fighting off the free radicals that can cause inflammation and plaque buildup. Now, I know some of you might be wondering about the difference between whole flax seeds and ground flax seeds. This is actually a crucial point that many people get wrong. Your digestive system can't break down whole flax seeds effectively, so they'll pass right through your body without providing any benefits. You absolutely must use ground flax seeds or grind them yourself in a coffee grinder. Here's my recommendation for incorporating flax seeds into your daily routine. Start with just 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed per day for the first week to let your digestive system adjust. You can sprinkle it on your morning oatmeal, blend it into a smoothie, or mix it into yogurt. After the first week, gradually increase to 2 tablespoons daily, which is the amount that showed the most dramatic results in clinical studies. One of my favorite ways to use flaxseed is in what I call the circulation smoothie. Blend together 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, half a banana, a handful of spinach, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, and a pinch of cinnamon. This combination not only tastes great but provides multiple circulation-boosting nutrients in one delicious drink. But flaxseed isn't the only seed that can transform your circulation. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, deserve a special mention here. These little green powerhouses are loaded with magnesium, a mineral that acts like a natural calcium channel blocker. When you don't get enough magnesium, your blood vessels can become tight and constricted, leading to poor circulation and high blood pressure. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who consumed the most magnesium had a 10% lower risk of developing circulation problems compared to those with the lowest intake. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds provides about 37% of your daily magnesium needs. The zinc in pumpkin seeds also plays a crucial role in circulation. Zinc helps maintain the integrity of your blood vessel walls and supports the production of nitric oxide, a compound that signals your arteries to relax and widen. This creates more space for blood to flow freely throughout your body. Sesame seeds are another circulation superstar that most people completely overlook. These tiny seeds contain a compound called sesame, which has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in blood vessels. In traditional Chinese medicine, sesame seeds have been used for centuries to treat circulation problems, and modern science is finally catching up with this ancient wisdom. A fascinating study from Japan found that people who consumed sesame seeds regularly had significantly lower levels of inflammatory markers in their blood. Chronic inflammation is one of the primary drivers of arterial damage, so anything that can reduce inflammation will naturally improve circulation. Now, let me address something important that many of my viewers ask about. Some people worrying about the calorie content in seeds, thinking they might gain weight if they add them to their diet. While it's true that seeds are calorie-dense, the key is portion control and understanding that these are nutrient-dense calories that your body actually needs. 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed contain about 75 calories, but those calories come packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats that will actually help you feel more satisfied and potentially eat less overall. Many of my viewers report that adding seeds to their breakfast helps them avoid mid-morning snacking because they feel fuller for longer. The fiber in these seeds also plays a direct role in improving circulation by helping to lower cholesterol levels. When you eat fiber-rich foods, the fiber binds to cholesterol in your digestive system and carries it out of your body before it can clog up your arteries. It's like having a natural cleaning crew working inside your bloodstream. Speaking of fiber, chia seeds deserve a mention here as well. These tiny black seeds expand when they come into contact with liquid, creating a gel-like consistency that's perfect for making puddings. Or chia seeds are another excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and can provide similar circulation benefits to flax seeds. One important consideration when adding seeds to your diet is hydration. Seeds are very high in fiber, and if you don't drink enough water, you might experience some digestive discomfort. I recommend drinking an extra glass of water for every tablespoon of seeds you consume. This will help the fiber do its job effectively and prevent any uncomfortable bloating. For those of you who might be taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin or Plavix, please check with your doctor before significantly increasing your intake of omega-3 rich seeds. While the blood-thinning effects of seeds are much gentler than prescription medications, it is always better to be safe and make sure your doctor is aware of any dietary changes you're making. Now, let me share a success story that really demonstrates the power of these simple seeds. Margaret, a 72-year-old grandmother from Ohio, contacted me 6 months ago because she was struggling with severe leg pain that made it difficult for her to play with her grandchildren. Her doctor had told her that her circulation problems were just part of aging and that she should learn to live with the discomfort. Margaret decided to try the flaxseed approach after watching one of my videos. She started with 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed in her morning oatmeal and gradually worked up to 2 tablespoons. She also added a small handful of pumpkin seeds to her afternoon snack. Within just 3 weeks, Margaret noticed that her legs felt less heavy during her daily walks. By the 2-month mark, she was able to walk for 45 minutes without stopping, something she hadn't been able to do in years. 6 months later, she sent me a photo of herself at the park, chasing her 5-year-old grandson around the playground with a huge smile on her face. The beauty of using seeds to improve circulation is that they work gradually and naturally, supporting your body's own healing mechanisms rather than forcing changes with powerful medications. Seeds provide sustained, long-term benefits that continue to compound over time. Another incredible benefit of these circulation-boosting seeds is their impact on brain health. Your brain requires a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood to function properly, and when circulation improves throughout your body, your brain benefits as well. Many people report improved memory, better focus, and increased mental clarity after incorporating seeds into their daily routine. The omega-3 fatty acids in flaxseed are particularly beneficial for brain health. These fats help maintain the flexibility of brain cell membranes, allowing for better communication between brain cells. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of omega-3-rich foods like flaxseed may help reduce the risk of cognitive decline as we age. Let me give you a practical shopping guide for getting the best quality seeds. When buying flaxseed, look for organic, whole seeds and grind them yourself for maximum freshness. Ground flaxseed can go rancid quickly, so if you buy it pre-ground, store it in the refrigerator and use it within a few weeks. Whole flax seeds can be stored in a cool, dry place for up to a year. For pumpkin seeds, you can buy them raw or lightly roasted. Raw seeds contain the most nutrients, but roasted seeds often taste better and are more enjoyable to eat. Just avoid varieties that are heavily salted or coated with oil, as these additives can counteract some of the circulation benefits. When it comes to preparation, variety is key to maintaining long-term success. You can sprinkle ground flaxseed on salads, mix it into meatballs or meatloaf, or even bake it into muffins and bread. Pumpkin seeds make a great addition to trail mix, can be roasted with spices for a crunchy snack or tossed into soups and stews. One thing I want to emphasize is the importance of consistency. While you might notice some improvements in energy and well-being within a few weeks of adding these seeds to your diet, the most significant circulation benefits typically take 2 to 3 months to fully develop. This is because your body needs time to incorporate the healthy fats into your cell membranes and for the anti-inflammatory effects to take hold. Don't get discouraged if you don't see dramatic changes immediately. Remember, you're working to reverse years or even decades of circulation problems, and that takes time. The key is to make these seeds a permanent part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or taking your morning vitamins. I also want to address some common myths about seeds and circulation. Some people believe that you need to eat massive quantities of seeds to see benefits, but that's simply not true. The studies that showed remarkable circulation improvements used just 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed daily. More isn't always better, and eating excessive amounts of seeds can actually cause digestive upset. Another myth is that expensive superfood seeds from exotic locations are somehow better than common seeds like flaxseed and pumpkin seeds. While variety in your diet is always good, you don't need to spend a fortune on rare seeds to improve your circulation. The humble flaxseed, which costs just a few dollars per pound, is just as effective as any expensive superfood. As we wrap up today's discussion, I want to leave you with a simple challenge. For the next 30 days, commit to adding just 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your daily routine. Notice how you feel, pay attention to any changes in your energy levels, and observe whether walking becomes easier or more comfortable. Keep a simple journal where you track any improvements in circulation symptoms like cold feet, leg cramps, or fatigue. Sometimes the changes are so gradual that we don't notice them unless we're actively paying attention. Remember, improving your circulation isn't just about feeling more comfortable today. Good circulation is essential for heart health, brain function, wound healing, and overall vitality as you age. By taking this simple step of adding circulation-boosting seeds to your diet, you're making an investment in your future health and independence. The power to transform your circulation is literally sitting on the shelf at your local grocery store, waiting for you to discover it. These tiny seeds may seem insignificant, but they contain the concentrated nutrition your blood vessels have been craving for years. If this information has been helpful to you, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more natural health tips specifically designed for seniors. Your support helps us continue creating content that can genuinely improve your quality of life. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family members who might be struggling with circulation problems. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful, and everyone deserves to know about the incredible benefits these humble seeds can provide. Here's to stronger circulation, more energy, and many more years of active, comfortable living. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.